Hello everyone. In this video, we read Class 7th, Social Science, Chapter 7. Gupta Era, an age of tireless creativity. Let's start. Introduction. Today, we are going to travel about 1700 years back in time to learn about one of the greatest periods in Indian history, the Gupta Era. This period is called an age of tireless creativity because people made amazing progress in science, mathematics, art, literature, medicine, architecture, and trade. It is also known as the Classical Age or Golden Age of India. Let's go. Who were Guptas? After decline of Kushana Empire, the Guptas were a powerful family of kings who ruled a large part of northern India from about the 4th to the 6th century CE. Their capital city was Pataliputra, present-day Patna. The first important Gupta ruler was Chandragupta I. He strengthened his kingdom by making wise and marriage alliances and expanding his empire. He laid the foundation of the Gupta Empire. The second famous ruler was Samudragupta. He was the son of Chandragupta I. He was one of India's greatest military leaders. He won many battles and expanded the empire. But he was not only a brave warrior, he was also a talented musician and is shown playing a veena on some of his coins. Interesting fact. He's often called the Napoleon of India because of his military achievements. Next came Chandragupta II, also known as Vikramaditya. He was the son of Samudragupta and grandson of Chandragupta I. During his rule, trade, art, science, and literature flourished. People lived peacefully and the empire became rich and prosperous. The famous Iron Pillar of Delhi is related to Samudragupta reign. This iron pillar of Delhi is over 1,600 years old and still without rusting it. It shows metallurgical skills of ancient India. Faction's visit. Faxian, a Chinese traveler, visited India during the Gupta period. He wrote that people lived peacefully, cities were prosperous, education and religion flourished. Many students get confused between Chandragupta Maurya and Chandragupta I because both rulers have similar names but both are different. Chandragupta Maurya is the founder of Maurya Empire. Chandragupta I is founder of the Gupta Empire. There were many famous scholars during Gupta period. Some famous scholars are Aryabhata. Aryabhata was a great mathematician and astronomer. He explained that the earth rotates on its axis. He also made important discoveries in mathematics and astronomy. Second famous scholar was Kalidas. Kalidas was one of the greatest poets and writers of ancient India. This quotation comes from his epic poem Raghuvamsha. According to this quotation, Kalidas teaches that a kingdom becomes strong because of wisdom, knowledge, and a good leadership, but not because of power or luxury. The next famous scholar of that time is Varahamihira. He studied astronomy, geography, weather, and many other subjects. His books help people to understand nature better. Government. The Gupta Empire was divided into provinces. Each province was governed by an officer appointed by the king. Officers handled all the issues of their provinces. Decline of Gupta Empire. After many successful years, the Gupta Empire declined due to many reasons. Weak rulers came to power, foreign invasions, and many internal issues weakened the empire. Gradually, the Gupta Empire came to an end. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share it.